Raz of Lorient. Let's go and see the boat. Look at this, Mocha 60s. Here we go.
Je suis Willy. Je suis ton bateau.
Where's my boat? Where's Bluebird?
I know, where is it?
Let's try down here. Hey, it looks great. I'm in. Saucisson, coffee. What more can a man want? Okay, here's our stores. We've got food in the bag. Look at this. We've got ragout de saucisson, and we've got chicken curry, and we've got loads of saucisson, like three saucisson, and lots of lemons, so I don't get scurvy. Well, there's a low after a low. Here I am waiting it out in Lorient for this sucker to pass, and then I'll be on my way. Last night, found a mooring. Oh God, look at the carnage in there. Oh shit, it's a beautiful day. Huh. Well, this makes a change. Oh, we're going to go through the Raz de Seine today, which is it's called the tide gate. It's where the two currents meet, and it gets pretty rough. And if you get it wrong, you are battling with the tide, and if you get it right, you sail through. And the idea is to get there at 3 o'clock. So let's have a look, see what Windy's got to say. So here we are, just coming up to the Raz de Seine. And we're not the only ones trying to get the right tide. So I'm going to go through that gap. And we're just waking up and new morning in Aberwatch, I don't know how you say it. Quite a nice little boat behind us. A little fishing port. Parked down there this morning before the whole Figaro fleet arrived. I had to get out of bed naked and suddenly move my boat. Leaving Samkey early Wednesday morning, Figaro fleet to the left. They came in to hide from the storm, I came in to hide from the storm. Quite dramatic. It's massive. We're entering British waters and Bluebird is getting a British flag. Here we are, sailing away. Nearly home, just off the Isle of Wight after a week and a half sailing. Back my brand new boat, Bluebird, to the UK from Lorient in France. It's been fun. Trying, interesting, probably slightly crazy, but been spring break. Brighton ahead, I can just see the hospital above the marina, so we're not far away. Should be there shortly. Wind's dropped off a little bit though. Just had a really big fun. There was a big black cloud, nasty mean cloud, and I ducked in behind it, knowing that the wind would be advantageous to me. And we got up to a good 11 knots of boat speed.